What's up mga buddy? Welcome back sa panibagong video at ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng Anime Fighting Simulator Endless. At yes guys, and welcome pala sa ating new channel, new YouTube channel na dito ko na i-upload yung mga Roblox videos ko, like mga ibang mga Roblox, like mga horror Roblox, mga simulator Roblox, at mga other thing na related sa Roblox. At itong laro natin, Anime Fighting Simulator. At binalak ko na talaga ihiwalay yung main channel ko sa Roblox channel, Roblox game more likely. So ngayon guys, maglaro tayo Anime Fighting Simulator and let's go! Mag-comment na rin kayo sa mga kung ano yung susunod natin lalaroin na isang Roblox game lang. Ayun. So yun lang guys. So huwag na natin patagalin guys, simulan nating alamat. Let's do this! Sa main menu pa lang, intro ng Black Clover to. Walang iya. Itong Black Catcher. Alright. Uy, si Luffy. Free Chakra. Uy, si Kirito. Kitiro. Kirito tapos tayo. Kitiro. Okay. Uy, si Chopper. Hi, Chopper. Uy, si Chopper. Ano to? Quest ba to? Siguro quest to. You're new here? Well, I mean not that I'm happy or anything. I got some job for you, okay? So, go on and complete the job, okay? Ano itong job niya sinasabi nito? Hindi ko alam. Ito yung para sa physical strength. At ito naman para sa durability. Ito naman para sa, anong tawag kasi dito? Chakra. Ito naman, sword skill. Oh. Tapos may agility din tayo. Oh my God. Uy, si Wukong! Si Son Goku! Let's go. Class shop. Yung mga class. So ito yung mga class. So fighter. So fighter pa lang tayo. Ayun o, fighter. May Shinobi, Pirate, Gold, Hero, Reaper, Saiyan, Sin, Magi, Akuma, Yonko, Gorosei, Overload. Wow, Yonko. Hokage, Kaioshin, Sage, Espada, Shinigami, Hashira, Hakaishin, Otsutsuki, Pirate King, Kinshi, Angel, Demon King, Ultra Instinct, and Upper Moon. Okay. So ito si Master Boom, si Sap One Punch Man. Okay, hello there, fighter. You seems new here. You arrive at a world that's infested with the thirst of dominance. This is a place where you kill or be killed. In order to survive, you will have to be stronger. I'm here to guide you through the basic step of training, alright? To become stronger, you will have to train your stats. I have given you several tests. Check your quest to give that. O sige, salamat Master Boom. Alright, sa yung task natin. Alright, ito ba yun? Ito stats. Pwede siya i-upgrade. So, saan yung quest? Ito quest. So, kailangan natin ng... ito yung unang quest natin. So, kailangan natin mag-gain ng 20 physical strength at 20 durability. Alright, so pwede na... Ito! Yan. Dami. Oh my God. So, dito tayo. So, magkukuhan tayo na magsuntok-suntok lang tayo, no? Alright. So, suntok-suntok tayo hanggang makagain ng... nakagain na pala tayo. Kasi susunod naman na durability natin. Auto. Uy, ang maganda lang dito. Auto na siya. Auto. Ayun, quest complete na. Alright, tingnan natin. Quest complete na. So, alright. It's look you have maybe for training. You just train your physical strength. Continue training these stats to use stronger physical ability, okay? Building your durability will make you more resistant to damage. If you wish to get stronger, there's a lot more you have to do. I've given you a new test, return to me, and once you're done pala. Grabing accent yan. Kailangan natin ng speed and agility. Okay. So speed, agility yung tatalon. Okay. So ganito lang tayo. Talon lang tayo. Agility. Alright, so let's alright, pupunta tayo kay Basta Boom. Alright, Basta Boom. You continue to impress me. Training your agility and speed will allow you to run faster and jump higher. So far, you have only trained your body. Now it's time to train your mind. Gain 100 chakra points and talk to me once you finish. Okay. Okay, chakra. So kailangan natin makahanap ng 100 chakra. And siguro naman ay babalikan ko kayo kung nakagain na tayo ng chakra. Alright, 36. Alright, ayun. So, na-complete na natin ang ating chakra. At It's been a while since I've had such a talented pupil. Meditating allows chakra to circulate through your entire body. You can release the built-up chakra to use power abilities. Let's move on. Alright, it seems like you still needed to hone your blade. Complete this task and talk to me once you're done. Okay, sword skill. So kailangan natin ng sword skill ng 100 sword skill. Okay, sige. Tapos may rewards tayo ng ng 40 yen at katana sword. Ooh. Ayun. You have quest complete. Ayun, let's go. The blade is only as strong as its wielder. Ooh. Your sword skills allows to use ability. You can also unlock stronger swords by training. You shown me you're able to use real sword, open your sword tab and equip the katana. Sword tab. Okay. Alright, ito sword tab. Ito. Ooh, 5 multiplier. Yun. Uy, 30. 30! Oh my goodness, 30 plus yung dagdag nito. Oh my goodness, ang charap. Ang agenda natin dito sa laro na to, gusto tayong pinakamalakas. Well, hindi naman pinakamalakas, kumbaga gusto magpalakas tayo, Tapos magpapa-PVP na rin din tayo sa mga ibang player dito, 'di ba? Ganun. Yun yung agenda natin. Alright, so Master Boom, ano na ulit? You have only quest on me. Anong quest? What's the quest? Okay, so my quest. Okay, anong quest? Okay, quest. So, kailangan natin yung physical strength. 1k physical strength. Tapos, 150 yan. Tapos, rapid punch. Oh, okay. So, ngayon, punta tayo sa stats. Kasi, upgrade na natin ito. Yan. Physical strength. Okay. So, ngayon. Alright, yan. You know, 60 yung dagdag ng physical strength. Okay. Dumagdag kasi tayo ng nag-upgrade na to. 90 na lang eh. So, kailangan natin magpa 100. Alright. Ayun. Tingnan natin kung kaya ba natin magpa 100. Alright, malapit na. Ayun, okay, let's go. Ayun. So, you just have learned a rapid punch. Rapid punch allows you to throw a series of rapid punches at your enemies that deal a moderate amount of damage. You can equip this ability by opening the power tab on the left. Oh, power tab ito. Next, you will train your durability. Okay, sige. So, dito tayo sa power tab. At select keys. So magkuha tayo ng keys. So, siguro mas sanay ko sa Q. Yan, sa Q tayo. Yan, sa Q. So, tignan natin. Ooh! Oh my goodness. Parang parang Gatling gun ni Luffy yun ito siya. Ayun. So, ano yung susunod? Ano yung susunod na pala yung quest natin? Ay, wait lang. So, ang susunod natin na quest is kailangan natin mag-give ng 1k durability. Tapos, ma-unlock natin yung meron ma-rewards tayo ng King Aura Power at 150 yen. Okay. So, saan yung pwede sa durability? Alright, so bago yan, upgrade din tayo. Upgrade din tayo na pang durability kasi, ayun. Yan, durability. Ang banda yung pang train ng durability. Meron dito ba? Feeling ko meron. Baka ma-discover pa natin. O sige. Tayo ay magkonta ng durability. Oh my goodness. Alam, bagal na ito. Kailangan natin ng durability ng Wait lang, magtanong nga tayo dito. Alright, so naka 500 na po tayo. Ang tagal. So hindi pa natin hindi ko alam kung saan ba yan. Oh my goodness, kailangan natin pa 1k. At pati din to. Oh my goodness. Oh, so may 1k yan. Tapos 1k chakra yung i-reward tayo ni Chopper. Yun, let's go. Ayun, ang tagal yun Okay, tama ka na. Paano ka na. Uy, 2k. Umabot tayo ng 2k yung natin power level. Pwede ba natin oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, ma-unlock natin yung aura. Wait lang, hindi pala dyan. Dito kay Master Boom. Alright, Master Boom. Alright. You have learned how to use King's Aura. King's Aura? These abilities allow to reduce the damage you taken by 10%. Allow you to reduce damage by 10%. Let's start to unlock your first chakra ability. Alright, so punta tayo sa power. Ito, sa strength. So, sa chakra, ito, durability. Ito yung King's Aura. So, F na lang, sige. Okay, so may King's Haki tayo. Oh! Oh! Haki! Haki pala! Oh my goodness. Ito pala yun. Haki. Oh my god. Sorry. Yan. Haki pala yun. Okay. So, try natin chakra for 1k. Okay, chakra. So, pupunta tayo doon sa may magical thing dito. Sa magical. Itong chakra tree. So, dito tayo dito sa puno. Alright. So, yan. Meditate. Uy, 30% na chakra. Okay, let's go. So, kailangan namin 1k chakra. So, makakaroon tayo Sphire's Fill Power. Tapos 150 yen. Oh, okay. So, siguro sa stats siguro, diba, naka 300 na tayo. So, siguro i-upgrade na natin ito. Ay, di, chakra na lang bin-upgrade ko. Ay, di, sige, upgrade natin yung chakra. And speed. Okay, okay. Dami na madaman para tayo pwede ating upgrade. Alright. So, nasa kalahati na rin ta. Ayun, nasa kalahati. Uy, ano to? Ilang nanagdag? 60! Oh my goodness, nice one. 60. Alright, sa 63. So, double rewards kasi ayan may 1k chikara pala. Ayun, nice one. Let's go. Tama na. Masyado ka nang relax sa buhay. At dahil doon, okay, so pupunta tayo dito. Hindi. So pupunta mo tayo kay Chopper. Yan. Nice going. Next up, you can take down 10 enemies. Careful. Okay. Ayun, naka 1k tayo. Oh my goodness. So, dahil ibig sabihin dyan, since naka 1k tayo, pwede natin i-unlock to. Oh my goodness. Ito view. Ito. So, isa na ganap tayo ng Shinobi. Yes guys, tayo na isang ganap na Shinobi. And siguro yun lang guys. So, maraming salamat sa video ato. Pasensya na kung pagito-gayto lang. Kasi syempre, nasa Roblox na po tayo. So, kailangan natin mag-ingat sa mga sinasabi natin. Kasi feeling ko panigurado puro mga bata kasi yung manonood sa akin. So, yun lang guys. So, maraming salamat sa video ato. At sige, bye-bye. Next time ulit.